Media portrays people in a certain light, to the point where no one questions it or puts up a fight. We look at people in only one view, while our opinions of them are strong and few. Lenses capture our young Chicagoans in agony and despair, where we wear saggy pants and dread our hair, a motto too frequently used as the face of violence. We once looked down upon in sorrow and disgust as we start our pointless fuss.
The media eats away at your self-consciousness. It drives you to be something you're not. Young kids look up to the TV, and if they look at it too long, it's easy to envy the blonde hair. But we need to embrace the fact that we are here.
Chicago is now considered Chirac. We need to talk to Iraq so they can get their name back. Media influences youth to increase the violence. It's like correlation. When X go up, Y go down. So now it's a decrease of silence.
Most of it is true. The gangs, the drugs, the murders. Chicagoans aren't helping themselves. As a matter of fact, they're only pushing the stereotypes further. If we don't want people to see us in certain views, we need to stop providing the image that the media puts in the news.